Hey, how y'all doing? Got Steven here with 501 Parts. Today I got a 2018 Yamaha Viking 700. Kind of wanted to go over some of the troubleshooting methods on it and kind of go over where the relays are, which one's which, kind of what steps you would take to troubleshoot if you had a four-wheel drive problem on these. These are pretty easy to work on actually. Everything's pretty easy to get to. So let's go ahead and get to it. So on these, you have a four-wheel drive. Your four-wheel drive starts working. First thing you want to check is the fuse, and you can see I've got the fuse box opened up here. This 10 amp diff fuse would be the one you'd want to check first. Check that. If you find your fuse is good, come on down here to the front diff. Next most common thing you're going to find is the servo motor goes bad, especially if you're in a whole lot of water and mud. So right here, this black box on the differential, this is the 3B4 servo. It's got one plug on it, and there's a wire going to it. This wire is going up to the fan. This wire is going to the servo. Just unplug it. You can remove that with a 10mm socket. You'll go ahead and pull that off. There's 3 bolts, and you'll lose your gear oil, but save it, or you can just change it if it's that time too. Next, you find your servo still good. You want to go ahead and check your relays. Now on this one, you got 3 4-wheel drive relays. This one, and this one are your 3 4-wheel drive relays. So this is the 5DM relay. These are the two 5DMs. This is an 8DM relay. And we've got an all-in-one kit on our website that would basically handle any 4-wheel drive issue you have on this bike, with the exception of a switch. It comes with these 2 relays, this relay, and the servo motor to rebuild your factory assembly there. But so on the switch on this one, key on here. I mean, this, you know, just twist knob, unlock the old push buttons, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, diff lock, and you hear the motor actuate. So typically when you're going from 2-wheel drive to 4-wheel drive, this relay will click. 4-wheel drive back to 2, this relay will click, and then this is what Yamaha calls the load control relay, and this is what actuates the diff lock. So it kind of gives you a better idea of what relay to check if you're having problems at a certain time in the system. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, these are pretty easy to work on. Oh, the switch plug, if you have to check the switch, see, this is the headlights here. This is the actual 4-wheel drive switch. It's a 3-prong plug. These are pretty easy to test. We've got a video on our website on testing a 3-prong 4-wheel drive plug. So that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching.